All too soon, I have come to the end of my Locs journey. This was not what I intended to do. I never planned to unlock my Locs in the middle of nowhere, but life happens, and the good part is that we keep moving. First of all, if today is the first time coming across this video in particular because you are curious about knowing more about Locs before you start anything at all, you're welcome. I am Sarah Mshika Hosemensa and became very active on YouTube to document my Locs journey. Before I started the Locs, I just started this playfully. Just wanted to experience how it will feel like, what people with Locs actually go through and all that. Then I thought of, okay, where can I just, in a way, by documenting the journey, where would be the best place to do this? And funny enough, I had to come to YouTube to check out videos because of course everybody comes to YouTube to learn a thing or two. Definitely someone had done something that you just want to start. So I decided to just come to YouTube and find out what other people have been doing with their Locs, how they started their journey so far. And at the end of the day, when I finally decided to lock the hair, I said, okay, from day one I'm going to document it, whether nice or not, whatever, however it is. I want to just put it out here on YouTube. At least it is going to serve as an archive for someone else also to appreciate the entire journey, and I also would definitely appreciate the growth at the end of the day, whether 6 months, 12 months, 5 years or whatever. And so that's why, and that's how come I started all of this. Fast forward, I locked the hair. I'll say that I did not, although I watched some videos, people spoke about what to do, some mistakes to avoid, talking about oils and all, how to treat and maintain the Locs and all that. I thought I was ready enough, so I went ahead to lock the hair from one loctician that was recommended. Of course, since you can see that the person has the potential to do something, you just go in and try in your luck, whether being a very good professional or not. And what I'm saying is, it doesn't mean that I'm pushing all the blame to the loctician, because having good Locs on also requires you investing in it financially. Depending on your financial strength, what you can afford and can't afford will determine what you are going to get at the end of the day. Okay. I locked the hair, and the very first day the hairdresser saw me, she was like, the patterning were just too big. And I was like, fine, whatever it is, I'm going to go through it. And so the months kept unfolding. I loved it because I could, anytime I had the Locs on, I can just easily pour water, rush water inside my hair. And during this period as well, I found one false extension, one or two that I was using, and I could go 2 months or 3 months just keeping the same hairstyle and maintaining, washing and maintaining it, okay, just so that my hair itself is in good state. Kept going on month after month, and then until about the 8 to 9 months, the hair was growing and was forming. The strands were forming on length, and then the shape and all that. I realized that my hair is very soft and very long as well, but it's not very full. Once the patterning was very huge, it's not working well for me. So although anytime the hairdresser was saying let's unlock it, and start all over again. I've been contemplating. In September, actually, I think 30th or 31st or so, I just got up and said, fair enough, let me just undo the false extension and unlock the hair. I didn't know how it was going to go, but if you should watch, I made some live videos, live sessions, which is on the channel, so you can just go and watch. I just decided to unlock it. I didn't know how long it was going to take, but I was fortunate enough to have the hairdresser who was willing to just help me unlock it, because she also is interested in unlocking and reparting it. That's not her specialty, but she also wants to use my hair as an experiment as well, to see how good she would do if she should lock a starter lock, to start all afresh with someone's hair. So she's been interested in using my hair as a case study, and I also needed to unlock it just to start again. So we went ahead to just do the needful. I have unlocked my hair, and one thing I realized was that although I lost some hair, a lot, okay, but I also realized that my hair was in a very good health condition. Like from top to down, looks very thick, right? Looks very thick. The soft spots were not very that much, and maybe once I undo this one, we can do some treatments. We unlocked it, and that very same day she graded this one, and what we have here is a kinky hair. It's very soft and very cool on my pocket. I didn't have to break the bank to get it done. So the experience for me has been very fulfilling. The fact that giving me that exposure, mounting my camera and speaking into it. If you should watch the very first video I did talking about my locks, you see that the confidence the confidence was not there, but compared to today, I can just be looking into the camera and be speaking to it confidently without missing my words and all that. So I am grateful for that experience. I am also grateful for the fact that I know that I cannot be boxed. I can do anything I want to do with my hair. As women, you know, you can explore here and there. It doesn't cost it that much to decide to just be flexible and do anything you want to do with your hair anyhow possible. I am grateful for that. The exposure, you know, this has also brought people who would usually not talk to me into my life. They want to find out, why did you lock your hair? And at this point they are asking, why did you unlock the hair? You know, and I get to speak to them, explain to them what's been happening to me. I am so grateful. My hair is just growing at its own pace and doing its own thing. All I had to do was to moisturize with water. Anytime I had it on and it was dry, I just put in spray in water. At a point too, I'll mix lime or lemon in water and spray over my hair. There are times that I soaked cloves and then spray. There were times that I used oils like coconut oil mixed with some rosemary, cloves, you know, this natural spice. It's been natural, and it's been eye-opening that the same cloves that I can soak in water and drink for detox, I can still soak it and spray over my hair. You know, it strengthens and nourishes the hair scalp. You see the constant hair growth that you get. You retain the natural position or composition of your hair without doing much. Okay, naturally I'm not someone who is always into buying this, doing that, trying on different things on my hair. A normal fluid person like that. So I liked all that the locks and the natural hair is doing. At this time, I know that I'll certainly want, if you are asking or wondering if I want to get my hair locked again, certainly yes, I am going to lock this hair again. This time I know that I want my hair to be in very tiny parts. That's how I want my locks to grow like into over the years. So that's what I'll be going for. I do not know how soon I'll be doing it. Probably I may wait and start in the new year. This one as well, I'm going to keep for some, at least a month or two, because the hairdresser mentioned that I can still wash, and you can see that this would be very easy to handle. And even looking at the texture of this kinky hair as well, it's giving comfort. Okay, so I know I'm not going to struggle handling it. It's not very long as well, so I can easily wash with my shampoo and condition it, go ahead and spray my clothes as usual, spray my lime, whatever, okay, just to keep my hair growing as it is. So I'm going to go again to do the locks. I don't know how soon, but just watch out for the new locks that I will be doing. I'm excited about it, and I'm open for collaborations. Okay, anyone out there watching who is a locks person, who is a loctician, who wants to use my hair as for marketing deals or whatever, I'm opened up. Okay, this is an open call for collaborations. I'm in for it, so you can just send me a DM and we'll get talking, and once I am ready, we can just start locking the hair. We'll monitor the growth, monitor everything together. This, I know, is very exciting. So thank you so much for watching. If you have more questions you want to ask about the locks, my locks journey, my hair, everything, I'm just a DM away. Don't feel free to just keep it in the comment section, and I will gladly respond to you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. I've showed you that it is possible to get your hair, your locks unlocked. Most people think it is impossible to unlock your locks, but I have locked it for 12 months and have unlocked it, and I got my hair. Okay, I'm going to attach some pictures and all that to this video so you can appreciate the journey. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another promising, exciting video.